And Happy New Year. Where are you all from? Mexico. So you're all on vacation here?
Yes.
Nice. What a beautiful, all family?
Yes.
What a beautiful family.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. How long will you stay here? 10 days and then go back to Mexico City?
Yes.
Very. Welcome back. As you can tell, not every day is sunshine in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. But as the show must go on, we continue on with the show. 111 places you do not want to miss when you come to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. The will to do, the soul to dare. There are his records. It is considered to be one of the largest seaplane operations in the world.
Right through me, I forget how to talk. Morally Everything packs right through my feet. I forget how to walk. Only thing I have left to my freedom, my eyes paint orange sky to ocean, white clouds islands covered in autumn. Only place where I can be with you forever. Forever. Tears fall down my cheeks. I forget how to smile.
Hallelujah Point. Canada's got a lot of great running pathways, like this one right here. 10 kilometers all around Stanley Park. 360 degrees of the ocean, port, amazing sights like no other place in the entire world. And on this pathway is something that is in the book. He died in 1982 from a brain aneurysm. He was asked by the then sitting Prime Minister, I'm sure he was doing his very best to help him start the Canadian Sports Federation. And most importantly, Harry Winston Jerome had 7 world records in the sport of running. He was fast. Look at this beautiful 9-foot statue. The will to do, the soul to dare. There are his records. (1960) 100 yards, 100 meters, you know, when all that was changing over. Athlete of the century. Amazing. Here at Stanley Park. And when you start your run on the other side of the park in an area called English Bay, where the track kind of starts, you run all the way around the park on the other side of these trees, and all the way you have views just like this one. And when you come up to this spot, you've hit 10 kilometers. Fabulous, isn't it? All right. We want to see some more things. We got beautiful. This looks brand new. Gorgeous. Wow. What detail. On this fabulous rainy day, not in Georgia, in Vancouver. Shore to shore. Oh, there we go. This sculpture carved in cedar. So that's all cedar wood. I thought it was some kind of bronze. And it's a Portuguese artist. Back in 18... Nope, he was the pioneer that inspired this. It's got women holding fishing net needles for creating and mending nets. It's got 3 figures that stand beneath a 14-foot cod lure. Ah, so the whole thing is 14 feet and it's a replica of the little lure they used for fishing. Created by artist Luke Marston. Ah, the great-great-grandson of the inspiration, Joe Sylvie. And there are all the donors. Thank you, donors. Over here we've got some totem poles. You want to see some more totem poles? Why not? They're beautiful.